Loneliness can feel like a heavy fog, silent, suffocating, and endlessly isolating, even when you're surrounded by people. It creeps in during quiet nights, busy days, or moments when you feel unseen, whispering that you're alone in a world that doesn't care. But the Buddha, who sat alone under the Bodhi tree yet found profound connection, taught that loneliness isn't your fate. It's a signal, a call to awaken your heart and mind. His wisdom offers practical, transformative tools to shift loneliness into a path of peace, belonging, and inner strength. Let's dive into the Buddhist way to face loneliness, not by chasing fleeting fixes, but by embracing clarity, compassion, and the truth of who you are. Loneliness, in the Buddhist view, is a form of dukkha, suffering, often tied to craving connection or fearing isolation. You feel lonely after moving to a new city, thinking, nobody gets me, I'll always be alone. This isn't just sadness, it's attachment to an idea of belonging and fear of its absence. The Buddha's approach doesn't deny loneliness, but reframes it as an opportunity to understand your mind and connect deeply with yourself, others, and life itself. His first tool is mindfulness, the practice of being fully present, observing loneliness without being consumed by it. Loneliness thrives in a wandering mind, looping through "I'm so alone" or "why don't they care?" Mindfulness anchors you in the moment, where you can see these thoughts as passing, not permanent. Imagine sitting alone in your room, the weight of loneliness pressing down. Pause, feel your breath, slow and steady. Notice the texture of your clothes, the hum of the world outside. Label the thought loneliness. This doesn't erase the feeling, but creates space, showing it's not you, it's a sensation like a breeze. The Buddha used mindfulness to face Mara's illusions, staying rooted in now. You can face loneliness the same way, grounding yourself in what's real. To practice, start with 5 minutes daily. Sit, focus on your breath. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. When lonely thoughts arise, nobody cares, I'm invisible, note them as thinking and return to the breath. In daily life, pause when loneliness spikes. Feel your feet, name the feeling, sadness, and breathe. Track it. Journal one mindful moment daily, like noticing a lonely thought and letting it pass. Mindfulness builds a mind that observes loneliness, not one drowned in it. The second tool is embracing interconnection, the Buddhist truth that you're never truly separate. Loneliness makes you feel like an island. I'm alone. Nobody understands. But the Buddha taught that all beings are woven together, part of life's vast web. Your breath connects you to the air, your struggles to others' struggles, your existence to the world. You're lonely after a friend drifts away, thinking, I have no one. Pause. Feel your pulse shared with every living thing. Their distance, your pain, it's part of the human dance, not yours alone. This dissolves the me versus them trap, making loneliness less personal. To live this, practice interconnection daily. Spend 5 minutes outside, feeling the breeze, hearing birds, sensing your place in the world. Pair it with metta, loving kindness. Wish well for yourself, a loved one, a stranger. May we all be connected. In daily life, act connected. Smile at a cashier, help a neighbour. If you feel isolated, I'm so different. Reach out even with a text. Track it. Journal one moment daily where you felt part of the whole, like sharing a laugh or noticing nature. The Buddha's vision of interdependence showed him he was never alone. You'll see your loneliness is shared, lightening its weight. The third tool is compassion, the Buddha's antidote to the self-criticism and isolation that fuel loneliness. Loneliness often pairs with harshness. I'm so pathetic for feeling this. This inner critic deepens the void. Compassion softens it. You're lonely at a party, thinking, I don't belong. Pause. Place a hand on your heart and say, this is hard, and I'm enough. This self-compassion, rooted in the Buddha's care for all beings, reminds you you're worthy, even in solitude. The Buddha showed kindness to himself through doubt. You can through loneliness. Extend compassion outward. Loneliness makes others seem distant, but they're struggling too. A quiet co-worker, maybe they're lonely. Wish them ease silently. May you feel seen. Practice metta, spend 5 minutes daily wishing well. Yourself, a friend, a neutral person, a difficult one. May you be happy. May you feel loved. In daily life, do one kind act hourly, listen, share, help. If loneliness resists, I'm too alone to care, note it and act kindly anyway. Track it. Journal one compassionate moment daily, like smiling despite feeling low. Compassion builds a mind that's warm, not walled off, easing loneliness through connection. The fourth tool is impermanence, the Buddha's truth that nothing lasts, not even loneliness. It feels eternal. I'll always be this way. Nobody will ever stay. This permanence fuels despair, trapping you in isolation. Impermanence frees you. This lonely moment is fleeting, already shifting. You're lonely after a breakup, thinking, I'll never connect again. Pause. Remind yourself this is now, not forever. The Buddha saw change as liberation, staying calm amid flux. You can too. Your loneliness isn't your life, it's a passing state. To cultivate this, reflect daily. What felt heavy a week ago, most faded, pair it with a mantra, this will pass. When loneliness hits, say, feeling left out, write one way it could shift, joining a club, calling a friend. Act on it. In daily life, notice impermanence. A mood lifts, a connection sparks. Track it. Journal one impermanent moment daily, like letting a lonely pang dissolve. Impermanence makes loneliness a visitor, not a cage, softening its hold. The fifth tool is right action, the Buddha's call to act with purpose, not avoidance. Loneliness can paralyze, I'm too sad to try, or push withdrawal like skipping a gathering. Right action breaks this. You're lonely on a quiet weekend, tempted to stay in. Act, text a friend, join a class, walk in a park. The Buddha emphasized effort, not perfection. Action grounds you in now, weakening loneliness's pull. To practice, pick one small action daily against loneliness. If you're isolating, nobody wants me, send one message. Pair it with mindfulness. Notice the urge to hide, then act. If you resist, this won't work, note it and move. In daily life, set a connect now, rule act on one social step within 5 minutes, like commenting online. Track it. Journal one action daily, like attending an event despite fear. Right action builds a mind that engages, not retreats, easing loneliness through movement. The sixth tool is gratitude, a Buddhist practice to shift from lack to abundance. Loneliness thrives on I don't have enough, friends, love, belonging. Gratitude reframes this. You have moments, breath, chances to connect. Scene 6. Practicing gratitude. You're lonely at night, thinking I'm so alone. Pause. Name 3 things you're grateful for. A cozy blanket, a kind memory, your heart's effort. This grounds you, loosening loneliness's grip. The Buddha saw gratitude as joy's source, sustaining his path. Practice it. Start each day with 3 gratitudes. Write or say them like a sunrise or your curiosity. During lonely moments, thank one thing, your body for carrying you, a stranger's smile. If loneliness hits, I have nothing. Counter with 1 gratitude. I'm here, alive. Pair it with mindfulness. Feel each gratitude like a warm mug's heat. Track it. Journal 1 grateful moment daily, like appreciating a small interaction. Gratitude builds a mind that's full, not empty, making loneliness a ripple, not a tide.